Dear students, in our previous class we have proved Pythagoras theorem and the converse of Pythagoras theorem also. So Pythagoras theorem is like this. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So by using Pythagoras theorem, so let us solve some examples. Example 10 of your book, that is in figure angle ACB is 90 degree. Then and CD is perpendicular to AB. Prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. So we have to prove this by using Pythagoras theorem. So we know in triangle ACB, angle C is 90 degree, and in angle ADC also angle D is 90 degree. So triangle ADC is similar to triangle ACB. So this implies if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio. So this implies AD by AC is equal to DC by BC is equal to AC by AB. So we have to use these two proportions. So this implies AD by AC is equal to AC by AB. So this is equal to AC square is equal to AD into AB. So this is your equation 1. Again, triangle BDC. Triangle BDC is similar to triangle BCA. So this implies BD by BC is equal to BC by AB. So this implies BC square is equal to BD into AB. So this is our equation 2. So here we have to find BC square by AC square. So from equation 2 and 1 we get BC square by AC square is equal to BD dot AB into AB divided by AD into AB. So this is equal to BD by AD. So proved. Next example, a ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall and its top reaches a window 6 meter above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. So here I have drawn the figure. AB is the ladder. So AB is the ladder and BC is the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall, and it is given that BC is equal to 2.5 meter, and A is the window and AC is the height of the window. So A is the window and AC is the height of the window. AC is the height from the ground. So this is height is 6 meter, it is given. As we know, ground is perpendicular to the wall. So here in this figure, angle ACB is 90 degree. So here in triangle ACB, angle ACB is 90 degree and BC is equal to 2.5 meter, AC is equal to 6 meter. We have to find AB. So we know in Pythagoras theorem that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So here AB is the diameter, AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So this is equal to AC is 6 square plus 2.5 square. So this is equal to 36 plus 2.5 square is equal to 6.25. So this is equal to 42.25. But we have to find AB. So AB is equal to square root of 42.25. So this is equal to 6.5 meter. So the length of the ladder, AB is our ladder. So the length of the ladder is 6.5 meter. Next example, in this figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, then prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. So here in this figure, we have two right triangles. One is ADC and another one is ADB. So in triangle ADB, AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So this is our equation 1. And in triangle ADC, AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So this is our equation 2. So we have to prove this AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. So this may be written as AB square minus AC square. So here subtract equation 2 from 1. So that means AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus CD square. So this is equal to BD square minus CD square. So here this implies AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. Or this implies AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. So this is proved. Next example, BL and CM are medians of a triangle ABC right angle at A. So here in triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. So prove that 4 whole into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. So it is given that BL and CM are the medians. That means L is the midpoint of AC and M is the midpoint of AB. So here in this figure we have three right angle triangle. One is BAC, another one is MAC and next is BAL. These are three right angle triangle. So first in triangle BAC, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So this is our equation 1. Again in triangle BAL, in triangle BAL, hypotenuse is the BL. So BL square is equal to AB square plus AL square. So this is equal to AB square plus AL square. I can write it as AL as AC by 2. So AC by 2 whole square. Or this is equal to AB square plus AC square by 4. So this is BL square. So this is our equation 2. Then in triangle MAC, CM square, CM is the hypotenuse, is equal to AM square plus AC square. So what is AM? AM is AC by, AM is AB by 2. AB by 2 whole square plus AC square. So this is equal to AB square by 4 plus AC square. So this is CM square. So this is our equation 3. So now we will add equation 2 and 3. So adding equation 1 and equation 2 and 3. So what we get? BL square plus CM square is equal to AB square plus AC square by 4 plus AB square by 4 plus AC square. So this is equal to, so 4 is the LCM, that is 4AB square plus AC square plus AB square plus 4AC square. So this implies BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 AB square plus AC square divided by 4. So this implies 4 whole into BL square plus CM square is equal to AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So 5 BC square is AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So this is proved. O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle. O is a point inside it. Prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. So here construction is required. Draw PQ through O such that PQ is parallel to BC. So if PQ is parallel to BC, then ADQP is also a rectangle and BPQC is also a rectangle. So this is also 90 degree. APQ is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. So we have to prove by using the right triangle or Pythagoras theorem. In triangle APO, so OD square, OA square is equal to AP square plus OP square. Then in triangle BPO, that is OB square is equal to OP square plus BP square. So let the name of this equation is 1, this is 2. Then in triangle OQC, that is OC square is equal to OQ square plus CQ square. So this is equation 3. And in triangle DQO, that is OD square is equal to BQ square plus OQ square. So this is our equation 4. So here the question is to find OB square plus OD square. So we have to add equation 2 and 4. So add 2 and 4. That is OB square plus OD square is equal to OP square plus BP square, here OP square plus BP square plus DQ square plus OQ square. So here we know that BP is equal to CQ because PQCB is a rectangle. So OP square plus CQ square plus DQ is equal to AP. So this is AP square plus OQ square. So as BP is equal to CQ and DQ is equal to AP. So this equal to, what is from equation 1? AP square plus OP square. AP square plus OP square. So we can write it is in another way. OP square plus AP square plus CQ square plus OQ square. So OP square plus AP square is equal to OA square. And CQ square plus OQ square, this is equal to OC square. So from 1 and 3. So this is equal to OB square plus OD square. So proved. So in this way you can apply Pythagoras theorem to solve some problems.